Alright, good day everyone. Before we begin, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dayan Marila Pina, but you can call me Teacher Dayan. Let's stop and take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Have you ever wondered how our body works every time we breathe? Well, today we are going to explore the amazing respiratory system. Are you ready? Let's go! These are the things that we're going to learn about today. To help guide our lesson today, we are going to use the KWL chart. Teacher, what is KWL chart? KWL chart stands for what I know, what I want to know, and what I have learned.
All we have to do in KWL chart is first, we'll fill in the K section or what I know section by sharing what we already know about the respiratory system. Then, after that, we'll move to what I want to know section where we list the question or things we want to learn. Finally, by the end of the discussion, we'll fill in what I have learned section with all the new things we have learned.
Let's have some fun with a special activity called Puzzling Air Letters.
Direction. Unscramble the mix-up letters to discover important terms related to the respiratory system. Okay, let's try to answer each one. Number 1. What do you think is the answer? Good! It's nasal cavity. How about number 2? Correct! It's bronchi. And the number 3? Good! It's pharynx. Next, number 4? Correct! It's trachea. And for the last number? Nice! It's lungs.
Great job! Now, let's take that understanding to our next topic called Fill in the Lungs.
Directions. Complete the missing information about the respiratory system by filling in the blanks. Choose your answer in the box below. Now, let's try to answer it. Are you ready? Number 1. The main organ responsible for breathing is the... Correct! It's the lungs. Number 2. The trachea is also known as... Correct. It's also known as windpipe. And it filters the air we inhale and branches into the bronchi. For number 3, the common passageway for both food, water, and air is the... Okay, it's pharynx. Number 4, the bronch is made of body parts that help you breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Great! It is called respiratory system. Last but not the least, number 5, it contains 2 vocal cords when air passes by them. Correct! It's larynx. Write your answer in your notebook. Guide questions. Number 1. What is the main function of the lungs in the respiratory system? Number 2. What are the 2 main gases exchanged in the lungs during breathing?
Very good! Let's give ourselves a round of applause. So, are you ready to learn more? What is respiratory system?
The respiratory system is responsible for bringing oxygen into our body and getting rid of carbon dioxide. Yes, because when we breathe in, air travels through our nose or our mouth, down to our trachea, and to our lungs. From there, oxygen goes into our blood and carbon dioxide leaves our body when we breathe out.
These are the major parts of respiratory system. We have the nasal cavity, the pharynx, the larynx, the trachea, the bronchi, and most especially, the lungs.
So for today, we'll learn how all of this works together to keep us healthy and alive.
What is nasal cavity?
The nasal cavity is the inside part of your nose where air goes when you breathe in. It helps clean, warm, and moisten the air before it moves to your lungs. The nasal cavity has tiny hairs and mucus that trap dirt and germs, so they go into your lungs.
And the pharynx?
The pharynx is also called throat. It is a tube that connects your nose and mouth to your windpipe or to your trachea. When you breathe in, air passes through the pharynx on its way to your lungs. It also helps you carry food from your mouth to your esophagus when you swallow.
And the larynx?
The larynx or voice box is located in your throat. It has two main jobs. It helps air travel to your lungs and lets you make sounds like talk, sing, or shout. Inside the larynx are your vocal cords, which vibrate to create your voice.
And next is trachea.
It is also known as the windpipe. It is a tube that carries air from your throat to your lungs. It's like a tunnel that air moves in and out when you breathe. The trachea is lined with small hairs and mucus to help filter out dust and germs.
And the bronchi?
The bronchi are two tubes that branch off from the trachea and carry air into each lung. Once the air enters the bronchi, it splits into small tubes called bronchioles, which then lead to tiny air sacs in the lungs called alveoli, where oxygen is exchanged.
And most especially, the lungs.
It is the main organ of the respiratory system. The lungs are the two large organs in your chest that help you breathe air. They take in oxygen from the air when you breathe in and get rid of carbon dioxide when you breathe out. Inside the lungs, the bronchi divide into smaller tubes that lead to tiny air sacs. To summarize things up, the lungs are the important organs in our respiratory system that allows us to breathe.
Now that we learned about the different parts of respiratory system, let's watch a video to expand our knowledge to know how important respiratory is in our human lives. Right, let's have a group activity called Breathe Easy Labeling Challenge.
Directions. Illustrate and label the part of respiratory system and learn about their function. In this activity, you'll work in groups to label the parts of the respiratory system on a diagram. You'll need to label things like the nasal cavity, the pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and other important parts that help us breathe. Before we start the Breathe Easy Labeling Challenge, I want to share the rubric we'll be using to grade your work. The rubric will help you understand what I'm looking for in your diagram and presentations.
Very good. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Now that we learned about the respiratory system, it's time to test our knowledge using True or False quiz.
Directions. Read the statement carefully. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it's not. This will help us see how well we understand the parts of the respiratory system and how they work. Let's start. Number 1. The main function of the respiratory system is to help the body break down food. Number 2. The lungs are responsible for taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Number 3. The diaphragm is a muscle that helps the lungs expand and contract when breathing. 4. The trachea is also known as the windpipe. 5. Oxygen enters the body through the mouth and nose and travels directly to the stomach. Number 6. The alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged. 7. The respiratory system works together with the digestive system to provide energy to the body. Number 8. When you exhale, your body takes in more oxygen. Number 9. The nasal cavity helps filter, warm, and moisten the air before it enters the lungs. On to our last question. Carbon dioxide is a waste product of respiration that the body needs to get rid of. Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. I'll read the answer, okay? Number 1. false. Number 2, true. Number 3, true. Number 4, true. Number 5, false. Number 6, true. Number 7, false. Number 8, false. Number 9, true. Number 10, true. Very good, everyone! Who got a score a perfect 10?
Very good. Let's give ourselves a round of applause.
And for our assignments, number 1, write in your notebook why do you think it is important to take care of your lungs and the respiratory system. Assignment number 2, answer the last column of your KWL chart. Write down what you learned about our lesson today.
Very good, everyone. That's all for today. Remember, your lungs stays you healthy, so take care of them. Thanks for your hard work today and keep breathing easy. Thank you.